Every online AI chatbot can be monitored by the company staff. And even Googling for a rice cooker can bring the police to your door. Imagine getting arrested because an AI chatbot hallucinates some wrong thing. Imagine being reported as a criminal in the papers as a result of curiosity and free speech. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be watched. But how can you block them without using Kanye's paparazzi arts on them? The answer is CloudSeeder by IPv6.rs. We cloud the Bay's AI surveillance. You can one-click install OpenWeb UI for private AI and a whole lot of other appliances too. So you can privately use AI in any way you wish to use it, without being watched. So be who you want to be in your own private space. For the first time in your life, ask the questions you really want to ask, and get answers from the whole world's data. CloudSeeder by IPv6.rs is the blue screen to the Bay's AI surveillance. Block the all-seeing eye. IPv6.rs. What are you looking at?